What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? YouTube, Dad here. Dad's simply cooking. And it's time. It's October. I have little kids, and they like watching what they consider scary movies. Which are actually just kind of cute movies in general. But to go with movie night, we need to have a spooky little treat. A good spooky little treat. So tonight we're gonna make some graveyard cups. So what I have some little clear cups, and all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take them and I'm gonna draw a little spooky ghost on them. Kind of like that. But you can't really see it quite well, right? Well, that's fine. Let me show you how. So, to start, you're gonna get those little clear cups, and you're gonna get some fluff, marsh fluff, okay? I already had some of this. So I'm gonna use the back of my spoon to get some. Just like that. I'm gonna find my little ghost. I'm just gonna kind of fill them in from the back side. Perfect. Look at that. Ooh, spooky. Spooky little cup. Now, here's what we're gonna need. You're gonna need some Oreos or makeshift Oreos or some kind of chocolate cookie. I got the cheap ones. Oreos were like $6 a pack. These were $2.50. Logically, these are cheaper. So that's what we're with. Here on the big camera, you see my Ninja mixer. If you have a food processor or anything like that, you can use that, that's fine. I have this, and that's what we're gonna use. We're gonna take a handful and drop them on in. Spooky! Terrifying. So with that there, line up my arrows. We have made our dirt. Yeah. Dirt. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sprinkle some of the dirt on into the bottom of my cup. Just like that, okay? A little bit of dirt. Now, if you want to, you can recruit help with this. Baba! All right, so next, get a bowl. Bowl? The infamous blue bowl. Hello? Stockman? Pudding. We're going with chocolate, okay? They like covered himself in dirt. Yeah, if you want to do multiple goods, you can too. It doesn't matter to me. So I'm gonna take 3 cups of milk. So 1 cup. Almost. Nobody shaming ghosts. 2 cups. And then we're just gonna whisk. You have a big stand mixer, you can do that. You have whatever it's called, stamina, the whisk away. I got home and I showed the kids my idea for tonight, and they fell for it. They're just like, yes! I ain't gonna lie, I'm pretty excited myself. Just something fun, something different. It's spooky season. Even though it's hot, somebody didn't send October the notice. All right, when you get tired of whisking, we're gonna switch over to our electric mixer because I'm tired of whisking. Pretty good looking jello. So get my fluff. Let's start assembling. You don't have to make them look fancy because we're gonna make it look like a gravy. So it's fine. We're gonna get our dirt. I just want a little bit in each cup. Just a little in each cup.
I'll try. Let me try.
You just tried.
Now it's my turn. Now it's my turn. I'll try by myself.
Just a little bit. Okay. So we got our cups. Let's move on to the next part. We got our put on. Time to put our pudding on in. No.
They could be super good.
Alright, next up, we got some night crawlers. Some of those worms that are moving their way around in the dirt. Alright, so grab the rest of your dirt and time to put it on top. Alright, so look at that. Spooky. Little graves. Now, we're not done. And y'all, it's that simple. A fun, delicious, fast treat. Something fun and festive, y'all. Little pumpkin, little ghosts in the graveyard. Look at that. And let's give it a little taste. Look at that. Spooky, spooky skeletons. Alright, y'all. With that, these kids are ready to eat their graveyards. And we're gonna go watch a kid spooky friendly family movie. Peace. I love you. Thank you all for the likes, comments. Hit the like below. Let me know what snacks you're making for fun movie night. Peace.